So there's a drink taking over TikTok right now. And yes, I just admitted to binge watching TikTok. It's baking soda, water, maybe lemon if you want your bad decision to feel refreshing. And apparently, this cloudy little kitchen cocktail is supposed to melt your belly fat right off your body. Now, if you've been online lately, you've seen these videos. Some influencer holding up a fizzy glass like they discovered forbidden knowledge behind the paper towel aisle at Walmart. And they say, this is the weight loss secret they don't want you to know. I'm not sure who is they, like the Big Lemon, the International Baking Soda Lobby? And before we go any further, have you actually ever tasted baking soda water? Because I have, and it tastes exactly like what it is. Salty, bitter, like somebody carbonated disappointment. But millions of people are drinking it because the internet saw bubbles and collectively decided science was happening. So let's talk about this trend. What's in it, what people think it does, and what it actually does. So the recipe is super simple. It's just water, preferably room temperature, half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon of baking soda, and then lemon juice. And the second the lemon hits, it's all fizz, tiny kitchen volcano. And everybody on the internet loses their mind because people see fizzing and suddenly everybody becomes Bill Nye, the science guy. The internet loves anything that looks scientific for 12 seconds. And if bubbles burn fat, people drinking sparkling water would all have visible abs by now. Let's go through the claims because they somehow get, well, you'll see. Claim number 1, this drink alkalizes your body. People online say this like your body is a neglected swimming pool. Okay, your body already regulates pH all by itself. That job has been handled. Your kidneys are not sitting around going, oh, finally the baking soda arrived, now I can function correctly. Number 2, it boosts metabolism. Yeah, right. Because nothing screams elite fat-burning performance like drinking the same ingredient sitting open in your refrigerator next to the expired ketchup packets. And then we get to my favorite claim ever. Detox. Yes. Detox from what? Not sure. Your body already has a detox system and it's called your liver. And it does not need backup from a cloudy internet beverage. So what actually happens when you drink this stuff? First, it tastes terrible. There's a reason nobody's opening a baking soda cafe. Second, you're drinking a ridiculous amount of sodium. 1 teaspoon of baking soda has over 1,200 milligrams of sodium. So people are drinking this to de-bloat while consuming enough sodium to retain water like a salted driveway in February. That's not fat loss. Now, there is one tiny grain of truth buried under all this internet theater. Baking soda has actually been studied for athletic performance. Some elite athletes use it during extremely intense training because it may help buffer acid buildup. And that's a great thing, but we're talking Olympic level effort. Not Gary walking on a treadmill while scrolling Facebook. And even then, the side effects get digestive. Very digestive. But this trend was never really about science anyway. The fizz, the bubbles, the fake chemistry lab energy. Social media loves anything that looks dramatic immediately. And when people truly are frustrated enough with weight loss, they'll try almost anything. Yes, even salty lemon chalk water. And that part I do honestly understand. People are overwhelmed, exhausted, confused, and the internet keeps promising us shortcuts in a glass. But in the end, this is not a shortcut. This is sort of baking soda theater. Now look, if you occasionally use baking soda for heartburn, fine. That's actually what it's for. But if you think this drink is secretly melting fat while doctors everywhere panic to try to suppress the information from you, I can promise you, nobody is covering up big baking soda. This is not a miracle weight loss hack. It's not detoxifying your body. It's not turning you into a fat-burning furnace. It's not changing your metabolism. It's mostly just making your kitchen sound exciting for about 10 seconds. But that's it. And that's the trend. So next time somebody on social media holds up a fizzy glass and promises life-changing fat loss, you might want to consider keep scrolling. And if you want more breakdowns of internet wellness trends and viral health hacks and what may help and what is just a pipe dream spreading across social media, follow so you don't miss the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you soon.